Good afternoon to all my dear students. Today we are going to learn another interesting topic of grammar, that is English grammar. So children, today I am going to tell you a story. With the help of the story you are going to learn our today's topic. So that is a secret, that what is the topic. I am not going to tell you topic directly. Okay children, now let's begin with our story. Now this is our story time. So in this story, you have to listen the story very carefully to learn our today's topic. So children, let's begin with our story. What is the story? The story is about our grand Christmas party. What is the topic? Grand Christmas topic. Now let's begin our story. Aha! Today is the Christmas day. Sonu and Moni run to see wonderful gifts from Santa. Sonu gets a red car. Moni gets a beautiful doll. It's time to get ready for the grand party. Sonu and Moni wear new clothes. Moni wears a lovely red dress. She likes her long boots. Sonu wears a smart jacket with 4 pockets. The well dressed mom and dad lay the table. The happy children wait for the grandparents. Look, tall grandpa is coming in his shiny green car. Grandpa has a long white beard, just like Santa. Gracious grandma is wearing a yellow scarf. She always carries her tiny purse. Merry Christmas! Grandparents bring many gifts and colorful flowers from the garden. Here comes the lovely couple. Auntie gifts a huge teddy bear to Moni. Sonu gets his favorite toy helicopter. Uncle is a handsome man. He is wearing blue suit. Uncle gives a pink hat to Sonu. Moni gets a colorful dress. Sonu likes to eat crunchy cookies. Moni eats the creamy mashed potatoes. Everyone enjoys a great family time. Hooray! Now, children, after hearing this story, you will come to know that in this story there are discussion about the Christmas party and how the Christmas party happens with the different people. Okay, so now children, you have to give the answer of few questions. What does Sonu wear on the Christmas party? What does Sonu wear on the Christmas party? Yes, excellent. Sonu wear a smart jacket. What the Sonu wears? Smart jacket. So children, now you have to write here smart jacket. Smart jacket. So what does the Sonu wearing on the Christmas party? That is a smart jacket. Likewise, there is a second question. What does grandma carry? What does grandma carry? Yes, grandma is carrying a tiny purse. So likewise, children, you have to write here tiny purse. Tiny purse. So another question that is coming related to the same story, that is, what car does grandpa drive? So what car does grandpa drive? So grandpa is driving a green car. What the grandpa is driving? A green car. So now children, from this story we are learned very different nouns also there, and some related to that nouns. To describe that nouns, we have learned some few more new words like smart, tiny, green, and also in this story, as you can see, there are different words. Now we will have a quick look on this, like wonderful gifts. How the gifts are wonderful. How is the car? The car is red. How is Moni's doll? The Moni's doll is beautiful. How is the party? The party is a grand party. How are the clothes? The clothes are new. How are the dress? The dress is lovely and red in color. How is the jacket? Jacket is smart. So like this, there are many words that are describing our nouns. Okay, children. So as we have already learned about nouns, so today related to that we have learned adjectives. So now what are the adjectives? We will see the definition of adjectives. So our today's topic is dealing with adjectives. Now what are adjectives? We are going to see. Adjectives are words that are used to help describe or give description to people, places and things. It means adjectives are very describing words. They describe about any people, any place or anything. They help to give us information about. Now they can give us information about in various things. They can give information about shapes, that it can be a round, circle or square. Or they can give information about size. Size can be big, small, round, or in numbers 1, 2, 3, or it can be in a foots. They can give information about color, that is can be a red color, yellow color, green color, orange color, etc. Or it can give information about any material. It can be like cotton, leather, stainless steel, etc. So basically adjectives are the words that describe about any people, places and things. So once again children, you have to go through the story very carefully. The story is about our Christmas party, and related to that Christmas party there are various things that are going on in the party, and with the help of that story we have learned today adjectives. Okay children, now I am going to provide you some sentences and you have to say me the answers. Okay children, this is your homework actually. So we are going to discuss it in a few ways. First sentence, you have to do, you have to identify the adjective in the sentence and you have to write in the dash. First one I will show you. It is a blue car. So what is the color? So in this you can learn two things. Here you can see noun also. What is a noun? The noun is a car. And to describe the car, what is the word? That is blue. So you can write here answer as blue. So likewise children, you have to go on answering the few sentences that are given here, total 8 sentences. And in the question number 2, you have to make sentences from the given adjectives. Some adjectives are given like red, big, juicy, bunch and cold. These are few adjectives and you have to make sentences from some given adjectives children. So that's all for today's children. This is your today's lesson about adjectives. I hope you have enjoyed the story, and with the help of story we have learned adjectives. Thank you for listening. Please solve the homework or exercise given and enjoy today's day. Thank you children.